of the Season 2 Lake Compounce. We get to process our season passes and all that stuff, but I'm excited to finally ride the new Wildcat, got a Boulder Dash phobia, all that good stuff. It's gonna be a great day. It's about 2 right now. We'll probably spend 4 or 5 hours in the park. It'll be fun.
It's not operating today. There have been rumors that it's going to be leaving the park soon. So, maybe confirm.
Happy to be back. We might just go on Wildcat first and then head straight to Boulder Dash. Wildcat's new trains are looking nice. Might only be 1 train ops. Really don't know. But I'm really excited to try the new experience. I'm gonna keep an eye out for Jerry Brick too, and the GM of Lake Compounce. It'd be nice to talk to you about the new additions. No wait for Wildcat, which means that we're gonna go on it right now. Here's Pink's, and here it is. In case you know already, right? You have 3 different ways to tell you. New entrance does really look great though. I have props to Lake Compounce for that. But here's the Ace Coaster landmark plaque. Really is nice. 1927, the old ride. Looks like they are doing some work on Wipeout. That explains why it's not operating. It probably is on its way out. I really wouldn't be surprised. We just got off Wildcat. You can see it going over there. It's still rough. It's not that bad. It still feels like classic Woody, but the track work they did definitely helped a lot. New trains are really comfortable too. And we are going to walk the Boulder Dash. That looks like new mulch. There's their new recharge and relax station. Looking very nice. Boulder Dash. How great is it that you can walk on to a world-class Woody with basically no weight? Wait, hold on. Is there no wait for front row right now? Is that what this is? Hold on. Ooh, we better go. Yeah, looking like no way. That's row. There is no second train on the transfer track right now, but hopefully we'll be out later. Row. That ride is crazy. Honest to God, that is easily one of the best wooden roller coasters in the world. I mean, I've been here before, obviously, so I know what it's like, but it's flying today. Absolutely hauling. Wow. Time. Really, really fun. Great turbo drop. My second favorite turbo drop besides Supreme Screen. They were gonna go to Phobia. There's nobody in the back row. Back row's the best seat. Okay, I love how just everything's a walk-on today. Literally everything. There's no one here because there was a threat of storms. But that threat subdued and people are like, I still don't want to go. But sucks for them because I get to ride at Skyrocket Phobia 4 times in a row without getting off. Holy moly, that's an insane ride. I'm gonna do Thunder and Lightning. They're actually running Lightning, which never happens. Usually they run Thunder. So that'll be cool. The log flume line. Is there actually a line for the log flume? Dang, oh wait, hold on. Let's see how long this line is. I honestly... That's probably a 15-minute line, depending on how many logs they're running. Okay. Maybe we'll go on that next. I don't know. Thunder Lightning. Nice to see them running Lightning. I've never seen the 2 sides run at the same time. Supposedly does happen when they're busy, but I've never seen it. We're gonna go in a log flume. I'm interested to see how many logs they're running. but the wait doesn't look that bad. It'll be hopefully on in like 10 minutes. Yeah, we're not walking through those switchbacks. I'm gonna try and count how many logs are on this. I'm kind of curious. Just got off Sawmill Plunge. That's a nice log. I wish it was a little bit longer, but definitely is fun. Look at those crazy people on the sky coaster. We're going to go on the pirate ship now. The interesting part is that I've actually never been on this pirate ship. It's one of the only rides in Lake Compounce that I've just never done. One ride that I will not be doing today is Zoomerang because I don't feel like dying. Zoomerang is death. We'll wait for back.
Oh, you want to wait?
Yeah.
Are you with him?
Yeah. We'll wait for back.
Welcome to the pirate ship.
Back is
Everybody
best.
put their loose items and hatch bags from
Back is
anything
best,
like that
guys.
on
You
the
guys
other
should
side.
know. We're fun. Now we're going wave swinger. This is the best wave swinger I've ever been on. Sure. Park looks to have really nice landscaping. Like right now, especially. Like looks like better than last year. They laid all new mulch. It's really nice in general. I think that stage is where the new kids show is going to be. It's been a good day. Probably gonna go do some re-rides on Boulder Dash and Phobia, maybe Wildcat if we can get a back seat, and probably call it a day after that because we've just gotten so much done. Went out of the park and got our souvenir box, Frisbee box, and we're riding for Wildcat now. I'm gonna do it back row, and then we'll probably do Boulder Dash and Phobia, and that'll be it. So according to Weather Underground, rain is going to begin in 15 minutes. So we're gonna get on Boulder Dash and then get out. We better get on Boulder Dash like right now because that does not look good. I am semi-running and we're getting front row. Period. If we are on Boulder Dash when it starts raining, that will be absolutely amazing. And I will hope that that happens. Ooh, there's a wee bit of a line, but we're still gonna wait for front row. Okay. Oh, I felt the drizzle. We better go. Okay. Before they close the ride, let's go. Dad, I felt the drizzle. Let's go. I hope this does not end in a sob story of how I tried to get on Boulder Dash and failed. Hey, look. That's new wood right there. That's new wood. Huh. Cool. Okay.
Welcome back, everyone.
We are walking quickly. Boulder Dash.
All right, you guys can't push down and pull up under that bar. Take you towards the mountain. Thank you for riding Boulder Dash. Have a good day.
Okay, 2 train wait. Let's see, got off. It's starting to rain a little bit. There's a survey marker. Don't know what that's for, but who knows. It is starting to rain. We are going to see if we can do stuff on Phobia, but oh my gosh, all my lighting. It's gray out there. I'm literally doing absolutely nothing to let me. Maybe it'll pass. Oh shoot. Oh, it's starting to rain.
Wait for me, Hannah.
Dad, come on. Okay, this is going to be an adventure. Phobia in
the rain. Holy moly. Are you guys down? Okay.
Yes, Mom.
Okay, so Phobe's down. Should we just do ghost hunt? Dad, you want to do ghost hunt? Yeah. Go. There's no line. Okay, we're gonna do ghost hunt, and then probably by the time we get off this thing, Phobia will. It'll be raining hard. So. I wonder how many cars are running on this thing. Probably not a lot, but. Oh boy, it's raining. Ready? Hold on. Here. My phone. Your phone's in my pocket. Oh boy. This is fun. Oh. And it just is coming down. This is going to be interesting. It is absolutely pouring. Rain showing up on camera? I don't think so. It smells like rain. I think all the outdoor rides are closing. We are lucky there's no line for this. Think about it, now you will be running to our car in this.
This won't last that long, right?
Oh, I sure hope not. We're still running. No, that's thunder and lightning. Bad pause. Bad pause. We're still fiddling with Phobia. I think something happened with the launch. But, I'll talk to you guys after Ghost Hunt. I think this might be our last ride of the day. Ghost Hunt. They took away the animatronic in front of the ride. Or the screen. Don't know why. Neither of them are working. But they're still running Wildcat. Everything else is closed. We got on Boulder Dash just in time. Pretty good. And Boulder Dash is freaking hauling. Because it Boulder Dash in the after it just rained is absolutely amazing. So I can't wait to do it. We'll probably do it a few more times. Phobia is down for the rest of the day. We're gonna wait for front. This is honestly great. It stinks that Phobia's down for the rest of the day though. Okie dokie, I can't wait for this. This is gonna be great. Time and it's like we're gonna head out of here. It's been a great day for sure. Wipeout is on its way out, which, to be honest, I'm kind of happy about. It's about time. It's been moved. Jerry Brick said it's going to go soon. So that's good. Hopefully they'll get a nice flat in that area. It's a decent sized plot of land. I had a great day here. If you're new to Thrill Source channel, please drop a subscription, drop a like, comment down below if you've ever been to Lake Compounce, and if you had an unforgettable day like they advertised. And with that, this is Thrill Corner signing off for Thrill Source, and I'll see you guys in the next video. We'll probably be from here again. Bye.